Hello everyone, for this video I will be showing you how to crochet this no silk octopus. These are so easy, they are great for beginners too, and they are only take about 15 minutes to complete. Let's get started, okay? We are gonna need a size 4 yarn. I choose this because it's super soft and fluffy yarn. We need a scissor too and 4mm hook. And then we have to bring darning needle like this, and we need to have a 6mm eyes, and of course stuffing too, okay? First we have to start with a magic ring. To make a magic ring you have to make a letter X like this, and roll your fingers, pull this to the front side, make a chain 1 here. Now I have a chain 1 and make it tight. Now you have a magic ring or a magic circle. Inside the magic circle I'm gonna do 6 single crochet. I have a 1, 2, 3 single crochet, 4 single crochet, 5, and 6. Now you can just tie your patterns like this. Now you have a 6 single crochet here, and I'm gonna do next round 2. And to make a round 2 I'm gonna make a first slip stitch. I have a slip stitch and chaining 1. Now we are going to make a round 2. Into the same stitches I'm gonna do 2 single crochet into the into this first chain. So let's make a 2 single crochet inside the same stitches, and don't forget to mark the first stitches. So you need to have a stitch marker. To make a single crochet, insert the hook inside the stitches, yarn pull to 2, yarn pull to all loops. Now I'm gonna do next increase. We have to make a 2 single crochet. I'm gonna do 1 and 2. We should have a total of 12 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Seven and 8, 9 and 10, and last one is 11 and 12. Eleven and 12. Now let's make a round 3. Round 3 we have to do 1 single crochet and 1 increase. First make a slip stitch, insert the hook, yarn pull to 2, yarn pull to only 1, and chaining 1. Into the same stitches I'm gonna do 1 single crochet here. Don't forget to mark the stitches. After doing 1 single crochet I'm gonna do 2 single crochet into the next stitches here. That means increase. I will do 1 single crochet, and 2 single crochet into the next stitches. 1 single crochet, and I will do 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet. I will do 1 and 2. I will do 1 single crochet and 2 and we have to do 1 increase at last. And everyone, please don't forget to do like, subscribe, and share. Now let's go for round 4, and we have to make a single crochet around. Remove the stitch marker, make a slip stitch first. Here I'm gonna make a slip stitch and chaining 1 into the same stitches. I'm gonna do 1 single crochet, and we should have about 18 single crochet all over. I have to count from here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 single crochet, 8 single crochet, 9 single crochet, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 single crochet, and last one is 18 single crochet. So we have a total of 18 here. We are going to crochet next round. We have to make a curve shape. So for next round, round 5, we are going to decrease 1 time. We will decrease. To decrease our patterns, you need to combine 2 single crochet together. You have this, and into the next stitches I'm gonna do insert the hook, yarn and pull through 1. You have a through loops here, 1, 2, 3, and yarn and pull through all loops. This one is the decrease patterns, single crochet decrease. I'm gonna mark this. After doing this, we are going to make us 1 single crochet in every stitches from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and the last one is a 16. Now move to the next round, round 6. We have to make 8 single crochet first. We will do 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now we have 8 single crochet. After this, I'm gonna decrease my patterns for 1 time. To decrease, insert the hook inside the stitches, yarn and pull through 1 and 2. Into the next stitches, yarn and pull through 1, and we have 3 loops, 1, 2, 3. Yarn and pull through all loops. After doing this, I'm gonna do single crochet in every stitches from here. 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, after doing this, we are going to decrease 1 last time. We are going to decrease 8 times here, okay? So let me count, and it's round 7. We have a 1 decrease, and mark the stitches. And we have to do another decrease. This one is a 2 decrease. We have a 3 decrease, 4 decrease, 5 decrease, 6 decrease, 7 decrease, and last one is the 8 decrease. Now we have a 8 decrease. All total is we have 8 stitches here, because all you guys know about the tentacles, we should have 8 tentacles. So we are going to make 8 tentacles here. Before making tentacles, I'm gonna insert the safety eyes right over here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, between 5 and 6 we are going to insert this eyes. And I'm gonna lock this eyes. Now we are going to make a tentacles. So how to make a tentacles, I'm gonna show you. To make a tentacles, I'm just going to work into the first loop, not in the back loops. Remove the stitch marker first, and you have to make a slip stitch into the first loop and chaining of 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have to make a slip stitch into the next front loop. Here. I'm gonna do chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4. You have to make a slip stitch into the next front loop. Again, we are going to do chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, and make a slip stitch into this front loop. Chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4. Chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4. And we are going to make here again chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4. We need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's going to be 7, and one last 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a last one. Make a slip stitch and chaining 1. We need to cut the yarn and fasten off here. Make a slip stitch, one more slip stitch, and chain 1. After doing this, I'm gonna hide this yarn first, and I will just cut it down here. And everyone, first we are going to do stuffing here. We need to do stuffing, and after stuffing we have to close this pattern. After doing this, I'm gonna close this pattern here. After stuffing, we have to close this. And to close this, maybe you guys remember I have a back loops here. Into the back loops, we are going to make chain 1, and we have to decrease our patterns from here. One decrease, and I'm gonna do next two decrease and one last decrease. Okay, after doing this, I'm gonna just cut this yarn here. After doing this, I'm gonna use darning needle to close this pattern. I'm just going to cut this yarn here and fasten off. Okay, octopus is ready, guys. So this is really easy pattern, so try to crochet and don't forget to tag me, okay everyone. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys love it. See you in the next video. And don't forget to do like, subscribe, and share. Bye bye. Happy crocheting.